If you're driving something with less than 80,000 miles, listen closely to this message from the Sunset Auto family. That chip shortage you've heard about and the pandemic has created a critical shortage of new vehicle inventory with no relief in sight. So now you're probably getting blown up by people wanting to buy your used vehicle, right? Well, that's because when new automobile factories are shut down, the used car factory is pretty much shut down too, because nobody's trading them in. That means now used vehicles really are worth more, a lot more. Some $8,000 to $10,000 more than last year. Yep, that same vehicle is worth as much as 10 grand more. Long story short, used vehicles are worth a lot more right now. But new car invoices and MSRPs have to stay the same. They can't go higher. It's regulated. It's the law. Trade values are up, so trade it in. And go home in a brand new Chevrolet, Ford, Kia, or Mitsubishi from the Sunset Auto family. You just get more from Sunset. Like way more for that trade. And people do like that.